Investing in gold. We talk about it a lot on Sonoran Living, but how important is it? Well, this is Fred Goldstein of Scottsdale Bullion and Coin, and he's here to explain how they can help you. Good to see you, Fred.
Nice
Great
to be
to have
here,
you
Sue.
here. You said gold is money, but it's misunderstood. How so?
Well, Sue, gold has been money for over 5,000 years, very accepted all over the world, but it hasn't been used as a currency in the United States since 1933. So what we're hoping to do at Scottsdale Bullion and Coin is explain to our clients the benefits of owning gold in a diversified financial portfolio. We have brochures, we have articles, and we encourage people to meet with us in our office in North Scottsdale.
And you say when clients come in, walk us through what we will get from you when we come in to see you. What will a client receive?
We'll explain the different gold products, we'll show it to them. We'll explain the benefits of owning gold, the price structure, the history of gold, and if it fits into their portfolio, and ask them their criteria of investments as well.
So we need to know our level, what we're ready to spend and what we have.
Yes,
Okay.
approximately.
So why is gold undervalued today? Why do you think?
The mine production of gold cannot keep up with the world consumption. There's a shortfall of over 1,000 tons, and it's heavily managed by the big banks in the New York Commodity Exchange. In fact, yesterday, a very significant article came out on goldseek.com saying the manipulation of the precious metals is the biggest financial fraud perpetrated on the U.S. public. And we believe the gold price will go back to equilibrium, which is significantly higher, Sue, than it is today.
So what's the difference between owning gold and, let's say, stock?
Well, first of all, it's tangible. You have it in your hand. It's not dependent on a company's profits.
Okay.
It has no counterparty risk or no dependence on a third party. In other words, a company's stock would be dependent on their profits. The company goes bankrupt, the stock can go to zero. Gold can never go to zero. It's in your hand, it's money.
It's money
Right
in
there.
your hand, and depending
Correct.
upon how much you want to invest, you know, you can get a lot of gold or you can get a little bit of gold.
Correct.
But you say it protects us. How does gold protect you?
Well, it protects us from what we can't protect ourselves from.
Okay.
Which is debt creation, politicians, reckless money spending. That's probably the most significant thing. Gold will go up to hedge against inflation, and debt and inflation are usually correlating. And today, the national debt is almost $20 trillion. I believe in the next 2 to 3 weeks, the debt will reach $20 trillion. It's an enormous amount of money. I don't know how it ever can be repaid productively.
All right, so let's flip that. What's gold going for these days?
Well, the price of gold is up about $25, $30 in the last couple of days. It's about $1,230 an ounce.
So as the debt is going up, our gold is also going up.
Right.
Okay.
It has over the last 30, 40 years, but the last 5 years, it's been a change due to this paper market. What's happening in the New York Commodity Exchange, the banks can sell unlimited amount of paper gold, but not actually delivering the physical gold, but yet this sets the price.
And you say when we come in to see you, we can actually look at the bullion right
Yes.
there. We can buy the gold right there. If you don't have it, you'll send it to us.
Correct.
Okay, so let's talk about that client relationship. You've been doing this for how long?
I've been doing it for over 30 years.
Okay, and you said that that long-term relationship with your client
It's
is
very important. It's built on trust, but owning gold and silver and numismatic coins is generally a long-term hold to hedge against inflation and the shrinking dollar. So the client wants to depend on a company or a broker that can keep them informed with articles, with newsletters, with a conversation, with a friendly phone call
So
to
Fred,
update them.
so you're going to call me Fred if something's going crazy, right?
Absolutely.
But you just
Absolutely.
say start with that one gold coin.
Whatever fits that person's criteria, whatever they're comfortable with,
Okay.
we will work with them.
All right, great information. Thank you so much for being with us. Scottsdale Bullion and Coin, they have a special offer for you this morning. The first 15 callers, you are going to get a free wealth preservation report. They're located at 14500 North Site Boulevard, Suite 204. Give them a call today to meet folks like Fred, 480-459-5597, or visit their website, sbcgold.com.